This is Mr. Two once at Hammer and Hatchet Engineering. I just want to go over, this engine was sitting for quite some time and I got it running, and I just wanted to explain how what I did. I had pulled the spark plugs all out, and then we just turned the engine over, the electric starter, and sometimes I would use the pulley and put a ratchet and socket and just turn it over by hand. And I was trying to get oil pressure, and I read online that if you put a paper towel in this vent and that vent, and then pull the dipstick out and blow air, use an air gun and blow air in there, that it would pressurize the oil system and kind of backfeed it through the oil pump. I did that several times, and I finally got a little bit of oil in my rocker arms, and it's still, even when I was turning the engine over and even got it running for a second, I would see no oil pressure. I didn't want to, so I kept just working at it and working at it. It took me about 3 days, which roughly equals 3 hours. Anyway, I kept doing that. I was seeing a little bit of results, but finally, they also said turn the engine backwards, the opposite direction, to kind of get the oil pump to suck up. But then I opened up this plug right here and found the oil pump was super dry. So I just primed it with oil and kept repeating everything. And finally, when I got the engine running with it blowing air, going backwards, priming the oil pump, I finally did get oil pressure. So that's my tip for the day. I did soak the piston with for about a week with Marble Mystery Oil before I started even turning it over. But yeah, that was the one hang up I had, was trying to get oil pressure when the engine was turning over. And when I did get it running, I did get up to 40. I know it's supposed to be higher, but I didn't run the engine for very long. Over and out. Hammer and Hatchet Engineering.